Hi everyone, this is for the Yamaha S08 keyboard synthesizer piano if you are getting the battery low message on the display. The owner's manual says to have authorized personnel replace the battery. This unit is 20 years old and I was not going to pay to have a battery replaced. As of September 2023, I could not find anywhere on YouTube or the internet where somebody had replaced the battery. So I decided to figure out how to do it myself and provide this to others just to be helpful. Perform this at your own risk. Also, if you have anything saved on the memory card or within the unit, make sure you follow the instructions to not lose that information. There are instructions for how to do that in the manual and on the internet. For replacing the battery, you do not need to remove this wood piece. This access panel here does not go to the battery, so do not waste your time with removing those screws. You do have to remove all of the screws in the back panel. Then the battery is right here. It is a CR2032, a very common battery. You can find it at department stores, hardware stores, on Amazon. It's very easy to remove. Do not pry it or use a screwdriver or anything like that. Simply press against the spring mechanism and remove it, ensuring you don't lose the battery in there. With the new battery, you simply repeat that procedure, ensuring that all the tabs have it locked into place. Before you put the back panel back on, make sure you still have sound, everything works as it should. This display may say mount error. If that happens, remove the card that is located right here in the back and reinsert it, power on and off, and continue that process until the mount error goes away and executing mount returns. If you did not have anything saved on that card, you could simply leave the card out of the keyboard. If this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe and like. Thank you very much.